In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Affirm virtual card on Apple Pay. If you want to use your Affirm virtual card to pay in-store with your iPhone, the process is quick and secure. The exact steps depend on your iPhone model, so I'll walk you through both paths: iPhone 8 or earlier with Touch ID, and iPhone X or later with Face ID. Before you head to checkout, make sure your virtual card is added to Apple Pay so it's ready when you need it. If you're new to this, you'll add it in the Wallet app by following the prompts and using the details from your Affirm virtual card. It's also helpful to move the virtual card to the top of your wallet if you plan to use it frequently. Let's start with iPhone 8 or earlier. Before checkout, add your virtual card to Apple Pay. When you're at the register, look for the Apple Pay symbol on the terminal to confirm contactless payments are accepted. Hold your iPhone near the card reader to open Apple Pay. You'll see your cards appear on screen. Tap to choose your virtual card so it's the one being used, then rest your finger on Touch ID to authenticate. Keep your phone near the reader until you see Done and a check mark on the screen. That confirmation means the payment went through successfully. Now for iPhone 10 or later, again, make sure your virtual card is added to Apple Pay before you reach the counter. At checkout, look for the Apple Pay symbol. Double-click the side button to bring up Apple Pay. If you have multiple cards, tap to choose your virtual card. When you're ready, glance at your device to verify with Face ID. After it unlocks Apple Pay, hold your iPhone near the card reader and wait until you see Done and the check mark. That's your confirmation that the transaction is complete. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Always select your virtual card on the payment sheet before you authenticate so the correct card is charged. Hold the top of your iPhone close to the contactless symbol on the terminal and keep it there until you see the on-screen confirmation. If the terminal looks unfamiliar, ask the cashier to enable contactless or select the Apple Pay option on their side. And if you don't see the Apple Pay symbol, the store may not support it, so consider another payment method. That's it. You now know exactly how to add and use your Affirm virtual card with Apple Pay, whether you're on Touch ID or Face ID. Thanks for watching and happy checkout. Oh.